We now return to Ask a Roofer.
If you were an animal, what animal would you be and why?
Probably a lion, king of the jungle.
I would probably be a lion. My birthday is August 1st, so I am a Leo.
Big old Brangus bull so I could walk around on the ranch.
I'd be a panther. Fast, sleek, strong. I can dominate. And I like cats.
A wolf. Being part of a pack and being part, just, I don't know. Family's a big thing to me, and wolves are big packs,
I'd be a lion.